Now let's see how to create a GCP project via console. Step 1. Go to Project Selector and click New Project on the top right. Step 2. Provide a project name and choose a folder under which the project can be created and hit Create. Now the project is created. Step 3. Create the labels. Click the navigation menu and select IAM and Admin, then select Labels. Click Add Label option to add labels. Step 4. Grant IAM roles to the users that are created in Google Workspace. Log into admin.google.com and identify which user you are planning on giving IAM roles to this newly created project. In the below screenshot, we have chosen GCP user as an example. Next, go to the newly created GCP project and grant the needed IAM roles. Click Navigation menu and select IAM and Admin, and then select IAM. Make sure the correct project is selected in the project selector. Click Grant Access and add the new principal, in our case GCP user, and assign roles Project IAM Admin. Step 5. Enable APIs. Go to the navigation menu and select IAM and Admin, and then select Enabled APIs and Services. Click Enable APIs and Services. Search for Compute Engine API as an example. Select Enable. Step 6. Default VPC networks are created in a newly created project. In the search bar, type VPC networks and click on VPC networks. You can see the default VPC network. That's it. Now resources like Compute Engine can be created within this project.